In this episode, I'm going to show you guys how we transformed her grown out light brown hair into a beautiful sheer ash blonde. To achieve this look on Asian hair, you got to remove all the brown, black, yellow and copper tones from the hair. You don't want any brassiness because that will show through when you try to get the ash in. It's extremely important that you lighten the hair evenly. So what we did was we went through the hair twice, focusing on darker spots, and later we pushed the lightener down to lighten the bottom part of her hair as well. My biggest tip when it comes to lightening Asian hair is definitely be careful at how much you lighten at one sitting, because Asian hair is really tough to lighten and you don't want to compromise the hair. So it's a good tip for you to just get it as light as you can based on the hair that you have and rely on toning to lift all the remnant pigments. To achieve this look, I actually mixed two different colors for her hair. So a darker ash blonde for her roots and a lighter ash blonde for her ends. And how I achieved this is by adding black pigments to the color that was meant for her roots, so that when her hair grows out, it will actually blend in way better with her natural hair. To get my color palette, I mixed ash as the base, added black pigments as much as I needed to get that ashy kind of feel, and a ton of toners. I mixed in Wella Color Charm in T50 to get that ashiness in, especially since there's a lot of brassiness that it has to overpower. Apply the darker color on the roots, and you can actually pull the color down as much as you wish to, but I would definitely suggest 3 to 4 inches to get that shadow root effect. When adding in the lighter blonde color, make sure you blend the color perfectly because you don't want it to be choppy, and if you do it right, you get this amazing look. So there you have it, my step-by-step guide on how to mix your colors for ash blonde hair on Asian hair. If you like this video and want to see more of my makeovers, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys next week.